Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create your website for retro arcade and gaming lounges business, easy and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first, let's go to the first section of the website, the header section. You can edit it from here. You can change the site name. Also, if you want to turn this on and replace company name with the logo, you can upload a file. You can change the label. You can add the external link, and also here if you want to manage your social links, you can add a channel. Just select the type and here put the link. If you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning or the social icon, the size and the shape. If you want to turn this on, this full width or this, you want to turn this on. Also the spacing and the background, color of the background. So let's save this. If you want to add a section on your website, just click here and select any section you want, and that's it. You're gonna make it easy. The next section is the banner section of the website. You can change this, the heading. Also here the subtext, you don't like it, just click regenerate and it will be changed. You can turn this on and add a label or add external link. Also if you want to turn this on and open it in a new page, you can edit the style of this section, the spacing, and here if you want to make this screen like this, the horizontal alignments, the vertical alignments, the background. If you want to generate another image, you can edit the image position, and also here if you want to edit the background overlay, the color, and here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's apply this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, the gallery section of the website, edit. Here if you want to change the heading, you can also generate another image. You can upload image from browser. Just search on the browser and put it here and it will be changed. Also if you want to choose from here media selector, so for example let's choose this. Now if you want to edit the style of the section, the heading alignments or the type, or if you want to turn this on, click for full screen. You can also turn this on, remove gaps. You can turn this on, the full width, so the spacing and the background. So let's save this. The next section, text section of the website. Here if you want to generate another text form. Also you can edit the type or the size of the writing. You can edit the style of the section, the alignments and the spacing and the background. All of them, all the style sections, all of them has the same thing here. So let's just skip this and let's move on to the next section, the list section. You can edit the heading. Here if you want to edit display, if you want to display settings, here choose what will be displayed for each list item. You can also edit your list items. You can add a list item here if you want. You can generate the image or upload a file. Here if you want to edit the image position, you can generate the title. Also here if you want to generate the content, So let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the testimonial section. You can edit this here. If you want to add testimonial, you can generate code. Also here if you want to generate by who, and here if you want to upload file. So let's save this. Let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section of the website. You can edit the heading. Also here if you want to change your business address, you can add text file here if you want, add the title or add the content. You can edit the style of the section, the type and the theme and the rounded corners. If you want to turn this, if you want to edit your marker color, if you want to make it like this screen, and also if you want to edit the background color. So let's save this. The next section is the contact form section. Also here if you want to edit it, you can generate another contact form. Also here if you want to manage files, you can turn this on and custom input labels. You can generate the form success message here, and also the style of the section, the form alignments and the spacing and the vertical alignments and the background. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is the footer section of the website. Click edit here, click edit footer. You can change your business name. Also if you want to turn this on and place company name with the logo, you can upload a file. Here you can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. Also here if you want to turn this on and add a label or add a link, you can turn this on and open link in a new page. Here if you want to edit the social links, you can add a channel, the style of the section, the type and the social icon, the size, the shape, the spacing and the background. So that's it. Now wait a few seconds. If you want to generate content or the style or the entire section of any section, just select any option here you want and it will be changed. If you want to duplicate this section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete the section, just click here and it will be removed. So now after you design your website and complete editing your business website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.